In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new page on an Odoo website while editing. We'll go through the process from the website dashboard all the way to creating the page, and the good news is that it's very straightforward once you know where to click. To begin, go to the home area of your Odoo environment. This is your starting point and where you can access the different apps and features available in your system. If you're not already there, just navigate back to the main dashboard so you can clearly see the available options. From home, click on Website. This will open the website management area where you can build pages, update content, and control the structure of your site. If you're already working on your website, this is the place where page creation and editing tools are available. Once you're inside the website section, look for the New button and click it. This is the option Odoo provides when you want to add fresh content or start building something new. Clicking New opens the creation menu for website content. In that menu, choose Create a New Page. This tells Odoo that you want to add a completely new page to your site rather than editing an existing one. It's an important step because it opens the page setup window where you'll define how the new page should begin. Next, select a page template. Odoo usually gives you different layout options to help you get started faster. A template can save time because it provides a ready-made structure for your page. Depending on your goal, you might choose something simple and clean or something more visually designed. Pick the one that best matches the type of page you want to create. After that, type in the page title. This title helps identify the page and may also be used as the visible heading or part of the page URL, depending on your setup. It's a good idea to make the title clear and relevant so it's easy to recognize later when managing your website. Finally, click Create. Odoo will generate the new page and open it so you can begin editing right away. From there, you can continue customizing the layout, adding text, images, or other website blocks as needed. And that's it. That's how you add a new page on an Odoo website while editing. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes quick and easy, making it much simpler to expand and organize your website.